one nerd, and a ghetto girl.
Yeah, I'll be good.
Up against a spoiled brat.
I wanna go home! I can't take this no more!
With her gangster boyfriend.
Uptown girl them love bad man, is it?
They all have one thing in common.
No, control a girl.
No survival skills.
Hey!
With $1 million on the table, will they make it out alive? Without food, water, and internet on the episode of Jamaican Life in the Wild.
Babe.
Make sure you're getting my good side, right? I'm Sharpay Costello, I'm 27 and I'm a vegetarian. Hello, look at my skin, meat-free, obviously. Basically, I'm here to support my boyfriend because he needs the money in order to keep me. I don't do bugs, so I don't know how you're gonna keep those suckers away from me. But if one bug ever bites me, I'm gonna get my dad to sue you for all you've got. So as long as Sharpay is happy, then I think everything will be okay.
Don't know say I bush is it? Follow me on Instagram, plug. Everything I'm have and check it out. My woman by me, is it? Sharpay. That's the life, right now. But now no time for work. A woman for mine was straight, Western Union every day. Tear, MoneyGram, joke. Paper, me say. You don't know say man a young youth, uptown girl them love bad man, is it? I'm there right now to win the million, is it?
Hey guys, my name is Steve Henry. I'm 26 years old. I have a degree in human social bio. But right now I'm just an account manager. But my friends say I should get up more and be more adventurous, so here I am.
Yeah, I'll be good. And me take your man without caution. You have a problem, bring him come. All man, every man, white, black, everything over here. Yeah, me take a girl man, me at 22, well that me good for. But walk and spread, mix up and shut people business. You have a problem? Yes sir, you me attack, so you're not good like this. You're not good like me, you're not half what me have. Come to you. Cause if I see you with your man girl, I gotta take him, Welcome to Jamaica Life in the Wild, where you spend 14 days in the wild with unknown insects and creatures from Mother Nature, with the chance of winning $1 million without
No, you better win it for mine, me.
and hair.
A lot of money.
You'll be asked to select one of the items of your choice that you think you'll need to survive. Choose wisely, because the end result could lead to death.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, babe. Babe, why are you pushing me? Can't believe she never made me hold her hands. I was trying to hold her hand, she keep pushing me and stuff. I didn't like that. Babe, come on.
Get off of me, man. Chop.
Babe, watch out, babe. Babe, whoa, babe. Babe, where you going? You just see me drop. Babe. Babe.
No, man. Oh! I can't believe them left with in the jungle by ourselves. Nobody. Yo, them people are wicked, you know. Yo, $1 million. And money still. Me need it still. Them really left with us, so.
Wait up. Stop walking so fast.
Yo, why are we here heels?
Hello, look around.
Yo.
At least let me die pretty. See, you're complaining about my heels and you're the one falling.
Yo, you could have catch me.
Why?
Bushti, he was like, why did I bring my heels? I'm like, babe, I had to look pretty. Let me die pretty.
Babe,
You know long man in that?
Babe.
Chop.
what's wrong, babe?
Come on, man.
Babe, you know I love you. Babe, come on.
Yo, I can't believe say you wear heels. Why you wear heels, babes? Babes had a push on the jungle.
Because.
Babe, what's up, brother? What's up, brother?
Be careful, baby.
Come, yo! What's your man at? You know the wall. What's your man?
soon drop in a patrol with you, know, man. Let me tell him to drop in a patrol with me, Moody.
Up to the blind can't see the big hole. Me see the man and me say, yo, me I help him. Me I say, brother, oh you not see the hole? Me I help him. Me I help him. Boom, him fling me in the hole. 2 man in a 1 hole. Why? Why?
This dude's got to help me. He fell in the hole too. He was funny. Cause he was trying to help me. Yeah. Oh.
Whoa! Watch your brother, yo, watch your brother.
Be careful, baby.
Go.
Be
Yo!
careful.
Watch your man up there. You know the hole. Watch your man. Watch your man. Watch your
My boyfriend had to jump in to save him. Oh my God, I was so worried about him.
Babe. You know the hole. Yeah, make me come in and hold with you.
Alright.
Babe, step me out. Step me out. Me not take out them. Step me out, babe.
Come out of this. Come out of this.
I'm good. I'm good.
Scared me for a second.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey, are you okay?
Me good, me good.
For a second
You
there.
sure you're alright?
Yes.
You sure you're
But
alright?
my feet are killing me.
Oh, look, a slipper.
Oh my God.
Yo. Oh, lucky dear. Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bush Lord. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. It fit you? Fit you? Oh, wow. Feel better? Feel better? Oh,
Hungry.
You're not hungry. Hungry?
What have you got? What have you got?
No, you're not hungry. You have to be strong. Stay strong. Be strong.
This must be something out there.
What, stick? Alright, pan stick.
Wait, we need to come together. We have to come together, isn't it? And make a plan.
I think that should be
We have to make a
logical.
plan.
Yeah.
Alright.
What are we gonna
So
do?
what's the plan, big man?
Alright. So, the supply, what we choose? What you choose?
My heels, of course. And where I go, my heels go. Can you imagine a world without heels? OMG! What kind of world would that be? I am sure pay.
I can't go anywhere without my heels.
What? Oh, you have to choose your heels.
You get mad at me? Why are you getting mad at me?
You know I like
What kind of survival item I pick? Eels. What you doing at eels? Jungle, bush. What you doing at eels, my girl? Musa.
You know how I feel about my heels.
Musa.
Calm down, baby.
Condom plus my girl equals suki, you know what I mean? I don't really have no computer on me right now to type up, so I just gonna do some suki. Yeah, babe. What you said, babe?
Me not pop my period.
Oh. Why you didn't say that before I start picking things? The saddest thing that my girl has a period. Ew.
No, suki for you today.
Babe, you know I like that suki. you know it too.
Calm down.
Breathe. My time. My time.
Breathe, baby. Why are you behaving that way? You're scaring me.
Oh, you have to choose your eels.
I didn't know.
I don't know. You know I can't do without my heels.
I can wait.
Calm down, baby. We can find something to eat. We can survive this.
Babe, calm down.
Calm down.
Babe,
Ah, you
calm
need to
down.
calm down. You need to calm
Yeah,
down.
babe, calm
Hey,
down.
shut up. Control that woman, you know.
man.
Hey, control that
like
woman.
mad
Control that
woman.
woman. You know, see the girl mad. I'm mad girl over there.
Yes, she's
I'm
mad.
Babe, what's wrong? Babe,
Control.
Down.
I'm trying to say, calm down. Yeah, babe.
Babes, you like that? Sweet voice, baby.
What's going on? All right, I gotta be focused.
Steve,
Big man.
wanna go on some stick now?
I'm gonna do that, babe. But I'm just gonna make a solution.
Look at her. She's mad.
Hey,
Go on, I'm
Well,
gonna
see the girl
we're
mad.
gonna make a solution, babe.
What?
We both go for some stick. I leave the girl. Then pick my girl.
Hey,
here with her. Do
Hey,
not leave me
Hey,
here with
calm down, the
her.
mad girl. Calm down, the mad girl.
I don't want to stay with her, please.
No, just soon come back.
I don't want to
soon
stay
come
with
back.
her.
Me soon me go come back. Me
You
soon
know I'll
come
come
back.
back for you.
Me soon
I'll
come back.
run. I'll
You know.
climb.
You know.
I'll get.
I don't want.
Don't.
Please,
You know.
man, come
Yeah,
back.
babe.
Okay. Be careful.
Blah, blah, doo, doo, blah, blah, doo.
Mosquito, mosquito.